Welcome to my channel Gyan Kitchen. Dear viewers, today I am going to make chicken tikka and whole chicken grill recipe. Please watch the video till the end. Onion ring, lemon slice, fresh coriander leaves, butter, chicken boneless cubes, whole chicken, ginger and garlic paste, yogurt, white vinegar, mustard powder, mustard oil, garam masala, red food color, pink salt, white salt, black pepper powder and carom seeds. Mix all these ingredients in a bowl and whisk well. Add the chicken boneless to the paste. Give some cuts to the chicken like this as shown in the video. Add also this chicken to the paste and mix very well. Then keep in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take out the chicken from the fridge, then skew them into the steel skewers. Roast the chicken in the charcoal about 10 to 12 minutes or until the chicken cooked well. Keep turning occasionally. In the meantime, keep applying butter. Chicken tikka and whole chicken grill recipe is done. Serve hot immediately. Thank you for watching. See you in next video with new recipe. Till then, goodbye.